welcome to this series of C programming lectures. My name is Faisal, and I'm going to be taking this course lecture series. So we first start with introduction of the C programming language. Now, C is a programming language that evolved from two previous languages, DCPL and B. The C language was evolved from B by Dennis Ritchie at the Bell Laboratories. It was originally implemented in the year 1972, and the Unix operating system was developed in C. Many of today's leading operating systems were developed in either C and or C++. C is mostly hardware independent, so code written in C are portable to most computers, most machines. And C is widely used in developing systems that demand performance, such as operating systems, where performance is of higher priority. Operating systems, embedded systems, real-time systems, and communication system, because C is a highly optimal and efficient programming language. So in this lecture series, we are going to go learn about C programming language in greater detail. Thank you very much, and welcome to this lecture series.